The Fixed Asset Balance Report provides comprehensive details about your fixed assets, including fixed assets amount and value, quantity and value of fixed assets, fixed asset balance, inventory balance accounts, quantity and value of incoming and outgoing inventory. You specify the period, date range of the report to limit the scope of the asset analysis. The report fetches the data for the analysis from the Assets Journal. The Basic Fixed Assets Balance Report displays the list of active fixed asset items, items that have opening balance as of the start date of the report or have been used for inventory transactions during a specified report date range. For each item presented, the report summarizes the following data for a given period: opening balance, opening quantity and value, as of the report start date on the selected report start date. Turnovers of assets, the total quantity of specific assets received, purchased, manufactured, during, within a given period, and the total value of the asset's incoming quantity, the quantity of the asset that has been sold, written off, or transferred to another warehouse within a given period, and the total COGS amount of the outgoing asset. Closing balance, ending amount and value of assets available for sale as of the report end date. Total balances and amounts are displayed at each level of the report and at the grand total level. If no data is available for certain levels, nothing is displayed for them. While moving to sublevels of the report, total amounts and balances are broken down into the amounts comprising the final total of the higher level. In this video, we will show you how to create fixed assets balance reports. In the header area, provide a date range and a name for the report. To generate the report according to the indicated parameters and predefined report settings, click the Build button in the toolbar area. By default, Fixed Asset Balance Report is built in rows based on assets and inventory numbers. In order for the report to show you any data, you may select the following parameters in the Select an Option box, in any desired combination. Asset, name of the general asset group in the system, for example, computers, exhibition equipment, etc. Inventory number, unique number of the asset in the system. Based on the default report settings, you may customize the view of your report by adding or removing fields and rows. To do that, click the Customize button. Use the Rows section to view and customize the default groupings. You can delete, rearrange, and add new fields to the section by which you wish to group data. To add fields for grouping in the Rows section, click the Select an Option box, and then select a field by which you want to group data from the list of options. Use the Columns section to view and customize the default groupings. As with groupings by rows, in the Columns section, you add fields by which you want to group data. The set of fields available for grouping data by columns is the same as for grouping data by rows. In the Values section, click the Select an Option box, and then select the summable field from the list of options. Click the Build button to view the report according to the parameters that you have selected. Once you are done, click Save.